Hi all, welcome back. So today we are going to discuss about some of the important previous year questions from the topic life science. Okay, so let us move to the questions. Question number 1. Blood circulates from arteries to veins through microscopic vessels known as option A capillaries, option B calories, option C cells and option D corpuscles. So here the question is blood circulates from arteries to veins through microscopic vessels known as what? It is none other than capillaries. Okay, so capillaries are the small thin blood vessels that connect the arteries and the veins. Okay, their thin walls allows oxygen, nutrients, carbon dioxide and waste product to pass to and from the tissue cells. So mainly they are of thin walls, and that thin walls helps them oxygen, nutrients, carbon dioxide and other waste products to and from the tissue cells. Clear? So our option correct answer is option A capillaries. Clear? So what are the other options are meant for? Okay, option B. What is that? Option B is calories. Calories are amount of energy released when your body break down food. Break down food means what? Digestion and absorption. Okay, at the time of digestion and absorption, the amount of energy that is released when the body break down the food is called as calories. Okay, then what about cells? Cell is a basic unit of life. Okay, so body contains around 50 to 100 trillion cells. Okay, then option D, what is that? Corpuscles. So we know that corpuscles mean red blood cells, white blood cells and all. Okay, so they are all the examples of corpuscles. So our blood circulates from arteries to vein through microscopic vessels are known as capillaries. So our answer is capillaries, option A. Clear? So next question, question number 2. Okay, which of these substances present in tobacco? So we have four options. In these, the substance present in tobacco is what? It is none other than nicotine. Okay, nicotine is the substance that is present in the tobacco. So we let's see the explanation of that. Nicotine is a highly addictive chemical found in the tobacco plant itself and is therefore present in all the tobacco products. So the addictive substance of a tobacco or other tobacco products are nicotine. Clear? It is not harmful, but it is addictive in nature, right? So while nicotine is what addicts and keeps people using tobacco products, it is not what makes tobacco use so deadly. Clear? So it makes the tobacco addictive. So the substances present in tobacco among these four options is nicotine. Okay, then what is morphine? Morphine is a drug used for pain management, used in pain management. Okay, so morphine is the drug used for pain management. Caffeine, you all know about the coffee. So caffeine is a substance present in coffee beans. Okay, then what is hashish? What is hashish? Hashish is or also known as hash. It is a processed part of cannabis plant. Okay, so they are also called as ganja or bong. Okay, okay, then next question. Which of the following is an eye disorder? Okay, so we have four options: myopia, jaundice, arthritis, and sinus. We all know that myopia is the eye disorder. Okay, so here is the figure for myopia. Then in normal vision, we can see the far away objects very clear, but in myopia, objects further away look blurred. Okay, so furthest objects or furthest image will be seen blurred in myopia. Okay, so the opposite is hypometropia. Clear? Opposite of myopia is hypermetropia, right? So let's see the explanation. Nearsightedness or myopia is a common vision condition in which you can see objects near to you clearly, but objects further away are blurry. Okay, so it occurs when the shape of your eyes to causes light rays to bend or refract incorrectly, focusing images in front of your retina instead of your retina. Clear? So instead of the objects that is straight to be part of the retina, it will bend the light and get refracted incorrectly. See here, the light is refracted incorrectly and not focusing on the retina. Whereas in normal vision, the light is focused on the retina. So myopia is it is also called as nearsightedness, and it is a condition that the objects further away look blurry. Okay, clear? So what are the other options? Jaundice. What is jaundice? It affects liver and also yellow skin due to bilirubin in blood. So bilirubin is mixed with the blood and the skin get yellowish, and it causes liver the most. Clear? So jaundice affects the liver. Okay. Then what is arthritis? Arthritis is inflammation in joints or pain. Okay, joint pain and all, that is called arthritis. Okay, what is sinus? Sinus, they are the filled spaces in the skull. Okay, that causes pain or some type of irritation to where our facial muscles. Okay, that is they are the filled spaces. There are some spaces in our face, and it will give some unbearable pain to our face areas. Clear? That is called sinus. Clear? It is a space in the skull. Clear? Okay. So we'll move on to the next question. Question number 4. Who discovered that mosquito spread malaria? Okay. So who discovered mosquito spread malaria? Okay. That is option A is our correct answer. Sir Ronald Ross. Okay, so let's see the explanation. On 20 August 1897, Ross made his landmark discovery while dissecting the stomach issue of an Anopheline mosquito fed 4 days previously on the malarious patient. He found the malaria parasite and went on to prove the role of Anopheles mosquitoes in the transformation of the malaria parasites in humans. So, which mosquito spread malaria? We get the answer from the explanation, that is Anopheles mosquito. Anopheles mosquitoes spread malaria. Clear? That is discovered by Sir Ronald Ross. Clear? Okay. Then we'll check out the next options. Option B, Homi Bhabha. Homi Bhabha is a father of Indian nuclear physics. Okay. So Indian nuclear physics in the father is Homi Bhabha. Clear? Then option C, Isaac Newton. What is Isaac? What is discovered by Isaac Newton actually? Who is Isaac Newton? Isaac Newton is a father of laws of motion, and also he contributes many things in calculus too. So who is Michael S. Brown? Michael S. Brown is a Nobel Prize winner in medicine field, and he discovered receiver or receptor which controls cholesterol in blood and cells. Clear? So Michael S. Brown is from the field of medicine, and he discovered the receiver receptor which control cholesterol in blood and cells. Then Sir Isaac Newton is a father of law of motion, and also electricity, some important concepts in electricity, calculus, etc. Homi Bhabha is the father of the Indian nuclear physics, right? So our answer here is who discovered that mosquitoes spread malaria, that is Anopheles mosquitoes spread malaria, is discovered by Sir Ronald Ross. Clear? Then move on to the 5th question. Which one of the following types of medicine is used for treating indigestion? Okay, medicines for indigestion is antacids. Okay, antacids are the medicines used for indigestion. Clear? So let's move on to the explanation. You can buy many medicines to treat indigestion without any prescription, such as antacids, H2 blockers, or proton pump inhibitors. We don't need any doctor consultation to buy the indigestion medicine, right? So one among them is antacids, we all know. Okay, so doctors often first recommend antacids over the counter medicines that neutralize acids in our stomach. Antacids includes, what are the things that are included in the antacids are calcium carbonate, loperamide, simethicone, and sodium bicarbonate are the factors included in the antacids. Clear? So let's move on to the other options. What are the uses? What are antibiotics? Antibiotics are used to treat or present some types of bacterial infections. Okay, so antibiotics are used to prevent some types of bacterial infections. Okay, what does antiseptic do? It is to control again infections, then kills the microorganisms. Okay, antiseptic disinfections are all used to kill the microorganisms or and to control the infections, right? So what is analgesic? Analgesic again is used for pain management like headache or injuries to joints, arthritis, etc. Clear? So antibiotics are used to prevent some types of bacterial infections. Antiseptic and disinfections also kills microorganisms and to control infections. Analgesic is a painkiller. Okay. So here our question is, which one of the following types of medicine is used to treating indigestion? It is antacids, which we all know, and without any prescription we will get from the medical shops. Clear? Okay, so next question. So question number 6, how is food energy measured? Okay, so our option is option A meter, option B calories, option C kilowatt, and option D kilogram. Okay, so we all know that to get a healthy diet or to get a healthy life, we have to burn the excess fat and all. So we use the word burning of the calories, right? So our option B calories is our correct answer. Okay, how is food energy measured? The food energy is measured in calories. Clear? So we go to the explanation first. Food energy is measured in kilocalories, commonly referred to as calories. Kilocalorie is the amount of energy needed to raise 1 kilogram of water 1 degree Celsius. Okay, so 1 degree, we have to raise 1 kilogram of water to 1 degree Celsius. That much work to be done to raise the water of 1 kilogram into 1 degree Celsius, right? So that much energy is to be burnt to, that is similar to 1 kilocalorie burning. Okay, so our option B is our correct answer. So other options is meter. Meter is for length measurement, kilowatt is for power measurement, and kilogram is for weight measurement. Clear? So the food energy is measured in calories. Okay, kilocalories, the amount of energy needed to, energy that is required to raise 1 kilogram of water to 1 degree Celsius, right? So we will move to the next question, question number 7. So our seventh question, the scientific name of modern man is. So we all know that the scientific name of modern man is Homo sapiens. That is the latest version in the human lineage. Clear? Homo sapiens is the scientific name of modern man. Okay. Just before that we have Homo neanderthalensis. Clear? Before Homo sapiens we have Homo neanderthalensis. Okay. Then just before that we have Homo erectus. Okay. Just before that we have Homo habilis, and before that we have Australopithecus afarensis. Clear? So this is the human lineage, and the modern man is belongs to what family? Homo sapiens. Okay, Homo neanderthalensis, Homo erectus, Homo habilis, Australopithecus afarensis are before the Homo sapiens family. Clear? So we will move on to the explanation. Homo sapiens, a species to which all modern human beings belong. Okay, so Homo sapiens is one of the several species grouped into the genus Homo, but it is only one that is not extinct. Okay, we are all still alive, so it is not to be considered as extinct, but these four categories are extinct now. Okay, so today the modern man is Homo sapiens. Clear? So we will move to the next question, question number 8. Which of the following creature does not usually lay eggs in its own net? Okay, so options are sparrow, cuckoo, parrot, and pigeon. In this option, cuckoo is the only bird that does not usually lay eggs in its own nest. Clear? So the common cuckoo bird does not make nest by its own. They do not bring up their own young. Instead, the female lays her eggs in the nest of other birds, which then rear the baby cuckoo instead of their own. Clear? So cuckoo is the only bird, only creature does not usually lay eggs in their own nest. Clear? So next question. Question number 9. The substances which is usually lost by the body during dehydration. We all get dehydrated at some times, right? So the substances that is usually lost in the body by at the time of dehydration is sodium chloride. NaCl is the substances that is usually lost by the body during dehydration. Okay, the options are sugar, calcium phosphate, potassium chloride. These are all wrong options, whereas sodium chloride is the substances that lost by the body during dehydration. Okay, during dehydration the body loses much of the fluid, right? Dehydration means what? It is the opposite of hydration, that is body loses much of fluid such as sodium chloride and other minerals. Okay, so the doctor prefers what to have? ORS or the electrolytic solutions, right? We all know that while dehydration we will all have ORS, right? ORS is a liquid to provide this, to regain this substance, right? NaCl substance or whatever it is. Okay, thus electrolytic solution is given to such a patient to replenish the most minerals and salts. Clear? So question number 10, last question. Dash is the richest source of vitamin C. Okay, so we have red meat, we have milk, we have lemon, and we have pulses. So vitamin C is fully concentrated in lemon. Okay, option C. Lemons are good source of vitamin C. One lemon provides about 31 milligram of vitamin C, which is 51% of the reference daily intake. Okay, so research shows that eating fruits and vegetables rich in vitamin C reduces your risk of heart diseases and stroke. Okay, lemon, oranges, mosambis, okay, they are all they are all full of what? Vitamin C. Clear? So the richest source of vitamin C is lemon. Clear? So what about red meat? Red meat contains iron, zinc, and vitamin B. Okay, what about milk? Milk contains calcium, vitamin B, and significant amount of what? Vitamin B12, and also fat soluble vitamins like A, D, and E. Okay, milk contains calcium, vitamin B, some significant amount of vitamin B12, and the fat soluble vitamins like A, D, and E. Clear? So what about pulses? Pulses contain proteins, carbon dioxide, carbohydrates, fiber containing food is pulses, right? Dietary fiber, then what? Minerals, phytochemicals, etc., right? Minerals and all, minerals and etc. Clear? So pulses contains protein, carbohydrates, dietary fibers, and some minerals. Clear? So our question is, dash is the richest source of vitamin C. So lemon, option C, lemon is the richest source of vitamin C. Lemon or oranges or mosambis, etc. Clear? So these are all the 10 important questions, previous year questions from the topic life science. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day.